Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Procore Cost Management Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Procore website. Locate the Cost Management section on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. Fill out the necessary registration form with your personal details. Provide your organization's information as prompted. Choose your subscription plan tailored to your business needs. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Review your order to ensure all details are correct. Submit your subscription request. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Follow the link in the email to activate your account. Log in to your new Procore account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Cost Management section of the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Explore the various tools within cost management to see what best suits your needs. If you need assistance, access the Help Center or support resources provided. Now you are ready to start managing your costs effectively with Procore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.